My cousin got me a car. I'm having popcorn for breakfast. They have TLC. I'm all over the place. Like, it has to go.
Making our Christmas memories.
Hi babes, welcome back to another weekly vlog. This is actually the last college vlog of 2018. I actually just got ready in a rush because I have to go to Rotterdam today. I'm gonna sleep over at my aunt's house because I have a party to go to tomorrow. And then on Sunday I have this masterclass of Ariana Grande's makeup artist, which is actually really cool. I'm gonna tell you guys more about it later. But my battery is dying, so that means I have to charge this one. I have my charger in my bag, so that'll be good. And then I also have to just make sure that I leave the house on time. I'm all over the place. I am even surprised that I have the time left to start this vlog. So I just made it to my aunt's place. My cousin had to go work, so he's not here. I have some KFC because I got KFC. I'm really hungry. I'm also uploading my vlog, or not my vlog, my video that's supposed to go up in like 15 minutes. I don't like being late with uploads. It's something like, you guys might not mind it, but it's like a me thing. Like, I just want to be on time when I upload, you know? It's like, okay, I want to upload on time and this is what I want to do. But right now it literally looks like it's not going any faster. Like, it's still on 1 hour and 30 minutes. It just keeps going up and then it drops and then it goes up. So I don't know how it's gonna go. This might just be another late upload. I'm just gonna have to deal with it. I know what I'm doing. I think I might put on some MTV because I don't have MTV at home. You guys know I don't have a TV. I don't have they have TLC. Look, I love watching TV, okay? I remember like when I was living on Aruba, at least the last years living on Aruba, I didn't really feel like TV that was like all that because, I mean, it was TV. I had it for years, you know? But now that I don't have a TV, it's like I miss the simple things. Like, I miss Nickelodeon, I miss Disney Channel, I miss Cartoon Network, I miss Boomerang, I miss TLC, I miss E! News, oh my god. Or at least the E! Channel. What else do I miss? I really miss MTV. We don't have MTV in Aruba, but I kind of got used to having MTV when I moved here. But I really miss having a TV. So my goal for 2019 is get a new house and get a TV. Like, even if it's like a smally little TV, I'm getting myself a TV. Anyways, I'm gonna finish up on my chicken. I got like 9 hot wings because I'm just craving hot wings. So I'm gonna eat these.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir perform in all the Christmas songs.
So today is Saturday. I'm sitting in the car. I'm having popcorn for breakfast. We have to rush to get to a family party. Kid's birthday party, actually. I did my makeup in like 15 minutes. I'm sure it looks a mess. No contour, nothing.
It's cold. Naomi.
You know what?
The folks not enough to go like that.
You're kind of weird for that. We made it out and we're safe. Waar ga je?
Dat is voor een dierenauto praten.
Oh, voor een dier. My cousin got me a car. Prank. So now home, or not home, but my aunt's home. I just took a nap. I'm so tired. It's my time of the month, TMI, but I'm dying. I feel terrible. So I really had to take a nap. Like it had to go. So I feel a little bit better now. I'm still really tired, so I still want to sleep some more, but I'm not gonna do that yet because it's now 8 o'clock, 8:30. So I just want to eat something. I'm so hungry, so I want to eat and then just go to sleep early tonight. I don't even know why I thought I would be super productive. Just still had to keep my makeup on when I took a shower before I took a nap. Well, I wasn't planning on taking a nap, but it would have just been a lot better if I took off my makeup right away, because now I feel like I have to shower again just to take off my makeup. So today is Sunday and I literally just got home. It's like 11:45. I didn't vlog today mainly because I forgot my camera and I forgot a lot of things. I forgot my wallet. I was at my friend Michelle's house. Today I was supposed to go to the makeup artist event, the Ariana Grande's makeup artist, and that didn't happen anymore because it got canceled. I missed my friend's concert. What else? A whole lot happened. I had really good food. I wish I had my camera with me so I vlogged everything, because it would have been a really good like extra vlog footage that you guys I think would enjoy a lot. But you know, it's always something, and it's a really typical Naomi thing to do for the last college vlog of 2018. But anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy what I did on Friday and on Saturday. I'm super excited for this new month that is coming up. I have a lot of preparing to do. I have to start packing for Aruba. I'm so excited. I wasn't really excited, but now that I know that's just like a couple of days left before I leave, I'm actually getting really excited. So I'm super happy about that. I'm overwhelmed with excitement. Tomorrow I have to do like one last thing for school before it's like the okay to leave, or at least for myself it's okay for me to leave then. So I'm all over the place, full of excitement. I'm really excited for Vlogmas. I hope you guys are too. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in my next vlog. Mwah. Bye.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making a Christmas memory.